In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Google Photos from OneDrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the OneDrive app to unlink Google Photos so new images stop importing into OneDrive while keeping your existing photos safe. First, a quick note for clarity. The visuals you might see in some guides show Google Drive in the OneDrive settings. The process for Google Photos is the same. Wherever you see Google Drive listed as a connected source, simply treat that as Google Photos if that's what you connected. The option and placement are identical. Start by opening the OneDrive app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the Microsoft account that currently has Google Photos connected. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're in the right one before making changes so you disconnect the correct link. At the top left of the screen, look for your profile icon. This could be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on your setup. Tap that profile icon to open your account panel. From the panel that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to all the app-level options that control backup, notifications, and connected services. In Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Import Cloud Files. This is where OneDrive lists any cloud sources it's pulling photos from, such as Google Drive or Google Photos. If you originally connected Google Photos, it will appear here as a connected source. In some layouts, it may show as Google Drive. The disconnect action works the same way for Google Photos. Find the Google entry you want to remove. When you've located it, tap the three-dot menu next to that connection. This opens a small menu specific to that source. Choose Remove. You may be asked to confirm, and you should do so to finish disconnecting. After removal, OneDrive stops importing new photos from Google Photos. This does not delete any photos from your Google account, and it does not automatically remove images that were already imported into OneDrive. Anything previously copied into OneDrive remains in your OneDrive folders unless you manually delete it. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment or pull to refresh the screen. If you ever decide to reconnect Google Photos later, you can return to the same Import Cloud Files section and add it again, which will require authorizing access. That's it. You've successfully disconnected Google Photos from OneDrive and stopped future imports while keeping your existing content intact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your cloud connections with confidence.